closer, and people have been studying them for a long time. People are interested in how scientists work. Philosophers, historians, psychologists, sociologists, they want to know what the mind of a scientist is like.
The S phase. We know in the S phase that the DNA does what? Or in synthesis.
Wait,
DNA doubles.
I thought this changed. This isn't the same thing as this right here. I thought it was like
Yeah,
a
no.
whole different type of.
No.
I'll take.
Go ahead and pick.
And then like afterwards we're gonna put that string with it.
Yeah, this is going to double and this is going to double. So do you want to go ahead and take the picture and I'll have them through it? Tonic and hypertonic. Okay, and we said that in a in diffusion, if the molecules get a chance to go from a high concentration to low concentration, and in particular we're looking at osmosis or how materials pass through the cell. So what we're looking at with the egg is how water would diffuse in and out of it. So if we had distilled water like we put in yesterday, which is full of free floating water molecules, so it would be high or low concentration of water? Really high? What about the egg? Would the inside of the egg have high concentration or low concentration of free water molecules? Low. Oh, okay. So what way do you think those water molecules went? I think they went into the egg. Was that our hypothesis yesterday? I think that's what Morgan said yesterday. What do you guys think? Girls. Possibly, might want to, okay, let's test. Okay. Wait for this egg. Okay. Cannot wait for you to see this one. Does it look bigger than yesterday?
Yeah.
Do you want to touch it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What's it feel like? Does it feel different than yesterday? Full maybe?
Yeah.
Full? What can you compare it to? Does it feel like maybe a water sack?
Yeah.
Water sack?
Like no, like in your
When it comes to cloning, the first subjects would be on animals. And when it comes to animal cloning, there's a very low success rate, which you get mutations, things like that, which violates a lot of animal rights again.
Out of all clones made, the majority die during the pregnancy. So right there, over 50% die. Another 35% of the remaining die from birth defects during the birth or within the first week of the birth. Even the ones left still have birth defects which hinder their ability to live, but they can still live a life, never normal and never a peaceful one. They will always be in pain. Also, the surrogate mothers, which have to carry the clones, go through more of a pain from a clone birth than a natural birth, because the clones tend to weigh more, which this causes a result for more C-sections and more pain for the mothers in general.
what are your differences?
One of the reasons why cloning doesn't work as well, what is speculated to be one of the reasons, is whenever they remove the nucleus from the donor cell, sometimes they'll catch the centriole with it, which hinders the ability to copy the DNA correctly. So we would like more testing with extracting the donor cell before moving on to the phase of creating a whole clone.